worked out every day since the end of 2019, and today I am sharing some tips on how to stay motivated to work out every day, even if you don't feel like it. Hey there, welcome back to Newfound Dreamer, where I help you create the life of your dreams. In today's video, I am sharing my top tips on how I stay motivated to work out every day. Let's just be clear, when I say work out every day, I do not mean an intense workout every single day. But I do encourage some form of movement every day, especially if your job requires you to sit at a desk for 8 hours a day like mine does. Movement is good for your mind, body, and soul, and every little bit counts. So without further ado, here are my tips for staying motivated to work out every day. Find a routine you love. I rarely wake up excited to go for a run or weight train. And for years, I struggled to stay consistent with my workout routine because those are the two activities that I thought I had to do in order to get in a good workout. But this year, I decided to listen to my body and tailor my workout routine around the activities that I enjoy. Currently, my favorite workouts are yoga, high-intensity bodyweight exercises, and long walks or hikes. When you enjoy your workout, you are more likely to want to do it. Focus on that post-workout feeling. Stop thinking about how hard your workout is going to be. Instead, try thinking about how you will feel once you are finished your workout. If I think about how hard my workout is going to be, I will talk myself out of it. So I stopped thinking about how hard my workout was going to be or how sore I was going to feel the next day. Instead, I started to focus on that post-workout feeling, that endorphin rush. I always end my workouts in a better mood and with more energy than when I started. I focus on that post-workout feeling because I love that feeling. That feeling is enough to motivate me to work out, especially if I am feeling stressed, anxious, or sad. Know your why power. Why do you want to work out? If you are watching this video, you most likely have some health or fitness related goals. Just saying that you want to be healthy and fit is not a good enough reason. That is not your why power. The fact that you want to be healthy and fit is clearly not motivation enough for you to work out every day if you are watching this video. You need to unleash your inner child and dig deep to reveal the real reason that moves you deep in your soul. That is your why power. If you need help discovering your why power, watch this video. I will link it in the cards above and in the show notes below. Be consistent. I have completed some form of workout every day since the end of December. Not every day was an intense workout. Some days all I did was bring my dog Hallie for a walk around our neighborhood or a 10-minute yoga flow, while other days were very active. My point is I was consistent with moving my body every day. Sure, there were days when I did not feel like working out, but I did some form of movement anyway for at least 10 minutes. That consistency helped me form a habit. Now working out is something that I do every day. And I no longer have that internal battle where I tell myself I am going to work out and come up with a million reasons not to. When you make it a habit, it becomes a part of your everyday routine, just like brushing your teeth or feeding your dog. Know what time of day works best for you. I love working out in the mornings. It is one of my favorite ways to start my day. It gives me energy and I start my day feeling productive and strong. If I push my workout off until the evenings, it just means that I have to fit it in amongst everything else that I need to do after work. And that is when I start making excuses. So now my workout is one of the first things that I do in the morning. I am not saying that you need to work out in the morning. You just need to figure out what time of day works best for you. I never thought I would be the type of person that works out at 5:30 a.m. I used to be a night owl until I started getting serious about my health. I actually have this video about how I transitioned into becoming a morning person. Waking up at 5 a.m. was something that I remember my grandmother doing when I was younger, and it is truly something that I never thought I would enjoy doing. But I am slowly becoming my grandmother. I may only be 29, but I am a little old lady at heart. And finally, make your workouts a priority. If you do not make your workouts a priority, then you will never find the time. There will always be an excuse or something that is more important than working out. Before I go to bed each night, I write down my top 3 priorities for the next day, and my workout is always on that list. If you are the type of person that lives by your calendar, schedule your workout. And also, if you find yourself making the excuse that you do not have time, check out this video. I will link it in the cards above and in the show notes below. There you have it. Those are my top tips for how to stay motivated to work out every day, even when you don't feel like it. Now for today's question. How do you stay motivated to work out? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button because it helps support my channel. And remember to do one thing today that will help you create the life of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Find a routine. Okay, you got this. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Movement is good for your mind, body, and soul, and every little bit counts. Feel once you finish your workout. Instead, think about how you'll feel once you finish your workout.